The next is the dialectic behavior therapy. The dialectic behavior therapy is again an interesting therapy. It was given by Marsha M. Linhan, and this therapy is a therapy where there is interpersonal effectiveness, which is very important, and the idea is to cope up with extreme emotions, extreme feelings. So in the sequence of any thoughts, events, feelings, behavior, any undesirable reactions or actions, if are found, are to be checked, and those have to be coped, and this is called as one of the evidence based psychotherapy, and it aims to increase the emotional and cognitive regulations of a person. So there are four modules under it: mindfulness, distress tolerance, emotion regulation, and interpersonal effectiveness. What is the difference? Now, under interpersonal effectiveness, the idea is what one needs is something which is studied. So you learn to cope with difficult emotions, and if there is any obstacle, you can take opposite action. Sometimes you can have distress tolerance techniques which can be utilized for interpersonal effectiveness. Regulating and controlling emotions is highly important. Sometimes people are highly vulnerable to emotional fluctuations, so reducing vulnerability to emotional fluctuations, checking the obstacles to the changing emotions are again important. Distress tolerance is how a person handles the distress. So the ability to bear pain, to skillfully handle the things and accept the things mindfully. And when I say mindful, it is accepting and tolerating the emotions which have been extremely powerful. Now once you accept it, then only you can commit to resolve it, and there has to be a constant movement in order to struggle to be mindful and work for a better solution for that problem. Okay, so that is the mindfulness. So four modules of dialectical behavior therapy, very important, and it actually increases the emotional and cognitive regulation, and that is by means of sharing. The where this kind of therapy can be used, it can be used in post traumatic stress disorders, it can be used to manage drug problems, mood disorders, anxiety disorders, alcohol abuse, drug abuse. Sometimes it is also used to treat stress disorders or binge eating, overeating problem.